Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 4, Day 5. I am going to make sounds and we'll make words into them. Out, 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 south, out, town, out, found, lid, change it to, lid, change it to ow, loud, shut, change to ow, shout, 10, change to ow, town, find, change I to ow, found. Okay, here are some words. 3, 2, 1, shout. 3, 2, 1, south. 3, 2, 1, wow. Okay, let's read this. Loud, change the ul to kul. Cloud, change the d to t. Clout, change the kul to p. Pout, change the p to sh. Shout, get rid of the sh. Out, change the t to ch. Ouch, add a k here. Couch, change the k to p. Pouch, change the p to sol. Slouch, change the sol to cur. Crouch, change the ch to n. Crown, change the cur to kul. Clown, change the kul to d. Down, change the d to g. Gown, change the g to fur. Frown. Okay, so a lot of these are automaticity. That means we're checking that you can do it in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, down. 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, how. 3, 2, 1, found. 3, 2, 1, house. 3, 2, 1, crown. 3, 2, 1, wow. 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, frown. 3, 2, 1, sound. 3, 2, 1, louder. 3, 2, 1, loudest. 3, 2, 1, rounder. 3, 2, 1, roundest. 3, 2, 1, prouder. 3, 2, 1, proudest. 3, 2, 1, shorter. 3, 2, 1, shortest. 3, 2, 1, playground. 3, 2, 1, doghouse. 3, 2, 1, power. 3, 2, 1, towel. Here are our high frequency words. Here we go. Color, 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 color. The color I like best is red. Early, 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 early. She woke up early. Instead, 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 instead. What do you want to do instead? Nothing, 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 nothing. There is nothing to do while we wait. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I did not see you. Thought, 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 thought. He thought we should eat lunch now. Okay, here's our story for today. It says, the clown who lost her smile. Okay, so we're going to, I'll do the first page with you. We'll take turns. Okay, ready? Begin. In a small town far away, there was a clown who had lost her smile. Some days her face had a frown. Some days her face had a scowl. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Oh, sorry. A black cloud seemed to hang over the clown. The people of the town thought that clowns with frowns spoiled their day. That means ruined it. If a clown has a frown, the king frowns too. And he is such a grouch with a crown without his smile. So here's the sad face. Okay, we're going to read this next one together. Ready? Begin. The people went from house to house, looking for the clown's smile. They looked all around. They looked up and down. They looked all around town, but no one found the clown's smile. So there they are looking. Okay. Your turn, ready, begin. Ready, begin. They asked a brown hound if he had seen the clown's smile. The hound growled and said no. Okay, together. They asked the brown mouse if she had seen the clown's smile. They asked cows and lots of fowl if they had seen the cow's smile. They all scowled and said no. Okay, your turn, ready, begin. Ready, begin. No one found the clown's smile. Then they saw a wise owl. The owl said, "You are looking in the wrong place. The clown's smile will never be found around town. The clown's smile must come from inside the clown." Okay, ready? Begin. We'll do this together. The clown had never seen such a silly mouse. It made the clown laugh, smile. It made the clown smile. It made the king smile. And that made everyone around town smile. Okay, so it looks like he found his smile. Okay, so we have fast when we're comparing to, faster, and last, fastest. So when we're using adjectives to describe, 2 is and 3 is s. So dark becomes darker, 2. Darkest, 3. Safe becomes safer, 2. Safest, 3. Okay, last of all. So we're going to listen for articles and special adjectives. This mix needs a cup of water. Did you hear the special adjective? If you said this, you were right. This, and it means it's close by. And then did you hear the article? Remember the article's a or an. This mix needs a cup of water. Did you hear a? That would be the article. That's the article. And this is the special adjective. Okay, let's do one more. Could you hand me that cup? Did you hear the special adjective? I did. That is our special adjective. And that means it's far away, that. So our special adjective was that. Okay. And then we also used a cup instead of an cup because the word cup starts with a consonant, not a vowel. We use an when it's a vowel, so if the next word starts with a, e, I, o, or u. But we use when it starts with a consonant. Okay, bye everyone. Good job this week.